As part of the AutoBag brand automated systems portfolio, the AutoBag 850SP is the first solution to use curbside recyclable paper mailers to boost sustainability while enhancing your fulfillment operations. Ideal for apparel and soft goods, this sustainable solution runs all paper bags that are easy for your customers to recycle at home. In warehouses and distribution centers, the 850S paper bagging system can accelerate order fulfillment, boost operational efficiency, and optimize labor, all within a small footprint. Continuous bag feed, inline printing, and automatic sealing improves productivity and throughput. The system can also be integrated seamlessly with warehouse management systems and existing packaging lines. One-step printing helps streamline your packaging process and eliminates the need for separate labeling equipment. Label information prints directly on each paper bag before it's loaded, helping ensure accuracy, prevent order queuing, and accelerate speed to shipment. Bag opening technology ensures each paper bag is pre-opened for the operator. Minimal guarding makes it easier for operators to access and load the opened bag.